Shenzhen Huazhixin Optoelectronics Company Limited is a professional portable monitor manufacturer in Shenzhen City of China. It is an innovative technology company integrating independent research, development, production, and sales. We have a registered capital of 5 million yuan, covering an area of 3,500 square meters. After 6 years of business development, it now has independent departments with rich experience and efficient cooperation in R&D, manufacturing, quality control, domestic and worldwide sales. Our R&D department provides the strong technical support to enable us to receive some OEM/ODM projects, and our productivity can reach 60,000 pieces per month. Certified with ISO 9001 quality management standards, equipped with advanced production lines, multifunction testing machines, we are strict in every steps of production and final quality assurance. Most of our portable monitors are past the CE, RoHS, PSE, FCC testing as popular consumer electronics products, widely used in business, daily life, and entertainment. Our products' development and production have been affirmed by the same industry, every product inside the market. It has also received very good feedback from consumers, has been recognized by more and more foreign importers, market channels continues to expand year by year. The company always insists on the tenet of integrity, cooperation, customer first, market oriented, seeking win-win with integrity, seeking market with quality, and seeking survival with innovation.